Hi guys, this is Raina with NowBuysReviews.com. Today we have the Novosbed all foam mattress to unbox. This bed is kind of special. It comes with a Comfort Plus kit that we will be talking about later on, and what it does and what is it for and why you can use it and when you can use it. But right now we're going to take this mattress out of the box. First thing you will notice, besides this beautiful pattern, oh my gosh, this is like a lot of work put on that cover. So, nice pattern, it's pretty. Their logo, the letter N all over the cover as well. It has a zipper, of course, on the side, and the zipper purpose is, besides probably to wash or keep it clean, it's also for you to be able to add the Comfort Plus kit. It feels really nice. I mean, this is a foam mattress. You probably would want to add the kit so you can adjust your sleep style, sleep pattern. So that's the Comfort kit. It's called the Comfort Plus kit. It comes for free with your, while you're trying your mattress and Novosbed. Everything is on the box and tells you how to put that kit together. And what's inside of it? A foam layer, an extender, and zippered fire sock. That's really cool. So, you can play around. I'm not going to build it now, I'm going to show you what's inside of it. There's the sock. Basically this kit, or this layer of foam. That's really cool. This layer of foam. Right there. It's compressed also. So, if you change your mind, you don't have to use it right away, but if you change your mind about the way you sleep on the Novosbed the way it is right now, this is the medium level, is what we picked. If you change your mind and you want to try something different, you don't have to return it and buy a new bed. That's where this Comfort kit comes to play. It's really, really smart. So later on you can just add it. The way you have to add it is all steps you can find online or on the box, but what you need to do is unzip the cover, build the layer, put it inside the fire sock with, thanks to this zippered fabric here, it will sit inside the fire sock, and then you can add it on top, so it will be your additional top layer inside the Novosbed mattress. So that's the Comfort kit layer. Super smart. I'm going to keep it for now, and I might use it later. But I want to try the way this bed sleeps, the way it came, the way I ordered it. The medium level of firmness of the Novosbed. I will follow up with a review later on our website, but for now we're going to need about 2 to 3 weeks to test it, to sleep test it. And we'll give you the results later on. Thank you for watching this unboxing video, and we'll see you next time. So here we go, guys. Look, you just need to find the connection. This point here that connects this zipper to that one. So the additional zipper to make it thicker, so you are able to add an additional layer on top of this mattress. So that the Comfort Plus kit, when you feel like you need it or you need to add it on top of your mattress, make sure you are adding this material this first. The zippered, cover border if you want. All over. So it goes around your mattress. And then once you are done with this step, you put your foam layer inside the sock, the fire sock. You add it on top of this layer. And then you put the cover back on. I just wanted to show you real quick how to do it. It's not seriously big deal. It's not as frustrating as I thought it would be. Once you find this connection, you're good to go.